Pure Sonamughi silk saree with beautiful hand block printing design. It's traditionally called as a printed silk. Here we have a colorful pattern. The saree is white color with fully vertical printed design, mainly triangles in 3 different colors, black, red and yellow, and the borders are here bright chili red. Same way the pallu is also all 3 colors given with the contrast red color blouse piece. Excellent saree, very different one, comes with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, a very beautiful printed silk in an extremely beautiful quality, premium one in a excellent color combo here. We have a black saree, simple barley design and multicolored pattern prints in the pallu. The same prints is coming in the half circle pattern in the saree. All over the saree it comes in the alternative green blue combination and pink, yellow and orange combo. Alternatively it is being done with a bright color pink color blouse piece. A very different and beautiful saree, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, which is also called as a printed silk. A very beautiful and very famous pattern. Ganga Jamuna pattern hand block printed saree here in a almost a pure white color with the tree design prints. The top portion of the saree is printed with red color and the bottom border is printed with black, which is giving a beautiful Ganga Jamuna look. Both colors comes in vertical way in the pallu, and we have red contrast blouse piece. Saree is simple and elegant and comes with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, light in weight, classy silk, which is also traditionally called as printed silk. Here we have a beautiful copper sulphate blue color saree. At the top and bottom we have a printed border, which is traditional fish pattern border, and the full pallu is printed, completely hand block printed with a running color blouse piece. Blouse piece also have borders, a different saree, and comes with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, a beautiful printed silk. Here with the elegant pallu. The saree here is bright green, parent green color, in a brighter shade with 3 different colored borders. The pallu of the saree is a beautiful highlighted hand painting with a purple and pink shades, and the base color is black, and the same base color black is given for the blouse also. Saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, a very beautiful printed silk without zari border, completely a very soft and beautiful material on a red saree base here with fully cream design floral prints. The top border of the saree is green and bottom border is blue, Ganga Jamuna pattern. The pallu is also fully printed along with the blouse piece in contrast blue color. The saree comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, a very beautiful printed silk, light in weight and beautiful saree in a excellent mango yellow shade here. Beautiful saree with black prints, top and bottom both sides we have a temple border and a printed border, and the pallu is completely printed with the blouse piece in a running color, and also the blouse piece have the borders. The saree comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, a very beautiful printed silk, light in weight and soft to use. Here we have a light green tinge cream color base saree with 2 different shades of green beautifully printed all over with a dark green color border. The same way the pallu is also in the shades of green, and the blouse piece is in beautiful green shade. Excellent saree, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, a very beautiful block printed premium quality printed silk. A very colorful combo here. The saree is in beautiful royal blue. A very different pattern. Royal blue color saree. The pallu is a tri-colored and done in a very different way, and the inside portion also have this type of printing, and the complete contrast color, red color is given for the blouse with one side printed border. This is the pallu. Different saree to drape and comes with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, 3-ply quality. A very beautiful hand painted sarees, lightweight, easy to carry, beautiful silks. Here we have a black pallu with beautiful leaf design, and the leaf design have the batik prints also, multi-color, and we have black blouse piece, plain black blouse piece color. The body have beautiful design here, half saree model type. The top half is in half white with the batik printing using black all over and the leaf pattern in both side borders. And the lower half is completely green, parrot green and aqua shade color with very elegant batik side. Beautiful saree, very elegantly done with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, 3-ply quality, hand painted. Very beautiful batik printed saree, red and uh, black color pallu with hand painting in white. We have a pure black blouse piece, plain one. The saree is a very pretty design. You can see the batiks closely printed all over in the mid portion on half white, and top we have orange red, and lower part we have both black and orange red painting designs in borders. Excellent one with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, very beautiful, light in weight, printed silk saree. And here we have a very beautiful black and white combination. The saree here have a printed part in cream portion on black, and the white portion here is a increasing portion. Top also we have a very elegant temple border. The full pallu is also printed, and the blouse piece here is plain black with one side temple border. You can see this is the skirt part, a beautiful rising pattern saree, and comes with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, 3-ply quality, hand painted. A very beautiful hand painting design all over the saree. A very beautiful pallu here. The shades of red. We also have yellow in the middle. Beautiful floral one, and you can see the borders in red shades. The same orangey red color is the blouse piece here with green borders, yellow and green border. The saree have beautiful part. You can see the middle is in green, and both sides we have the floral and painting works along with the tri-layer border. This comes all over the saree. Very pretty work. Excellent colored saree. The lower half is completely green with just the borders. Excellent one with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, 3-ply quality, hand painted and hand batik printed. A very beautiful black pallu with sunflower design. Beautiful batik printing is also there on the colors. Very pretty pallu with red borders, and we have a plain black blouse piece. The saree have a very beautiful Rama green in the mid with batik printing, and on both sides we have black. Borders are given in red, and the flower painting is given all over. Very beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, beautiful block printed Sonamughi in an extremely good quality. The saree here is a red saree, a chili red color, bright shade with temple border in black and white on both side borders. Otherwise the saree is very simple and plain. The pallu of the saree is a multicolor, turning in the vertical way along with the temple design, and running blouse piece. The saree comes with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, a very beautiful printed silk done using hand block printing. A premium quality in an excellent classy combination of cream with yellow and black. The top of the saree we have a printed border in the Bengali writing on black base with border in yellow, and center part is white, almost it's half white, not cream, and bottom we have a border in yellow as well as in black. The complete pallu is the writing printed Bengali writing, and we have a contrast yellow color blouse piece. A different saree, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, which is also called as a printed silk, a beautiful hand block printed Sonamughi in an excellent color combination. Here we have a royal blue color shade, beautiful dark royal blue. With top and bottom both sides we have two different borders. One is black, another one is orange. Black has the printed design which is done in half white color. Beautiful pattern. The same pattern runs all over in the pallu, and we have a contrast orange color blouse piece. The saree comes with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, block printed, excellent premium quality, lightweight silk, which is also called as a printed silk. Here we have Ananda blue combination with black and white saree. The top of the saree is Ananda blue in plain version with thin border in black. The bottom we have a printed striped pattern. Cream and black are used here. We have a border in blue. The pallu is completely with the stripes pattern, and the blouse piece is running in Ananda blue shade with borders. The saree comes with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, a light in weight classy collection of Sonamughi silk, which is also called as a printed silk in a premium quality. Here we have a bright pink color saree with beautiful top and bottom, a batik design and a printed design border. Very different one with a multicolored pallu. The pallu have almost all colors, and also a bright orange color blouse piece, contrastly it is given. A very different and classy collection comes with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, a very beautiful block printed Sonamughi collection premium quality. An excellent color combination of turmeric yellow with black. The saree is very simple, beautiful printing in both side borders. It is a fish pattern. Horizontally the border is printed black and white colors. The same way the pallu of the saree is with the chessboard and the cards pattern. A very beautiful board game design, and we have a contrast black blouse piece. The black blouse piece also have the borders running through. The saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Sonamughi silk saree. Beautiful printed design. It's a light in weight, classy. Traditionally it is called as a printed silk. Here we have a white saree with green color curvy lines design printed very elegantly with the green, olive green color borders. The pallu is tri-color one, yellow, orange and red, and we have bright red color blouse piece. A different saree, beautiful classy combination, comes with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, very beautiful, light in weight, printed silk. Here we have a very different color combo, green and red. The saree is fully printed with a diamond shaped design, most usually in a Pochampalli saree, with border design in red base, fully printed, and the same border design type is given in the pallu also, and the blouse piece as well. It's a beautiful saree, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, a very beautiful hand block printed Sonamughi, which is also traditionally called as printed silk. Light in weight, classy collection with a beautiful chili red color combination saree here. Top and bottom both sides we have a kalamkari pattern, black and white prints. The pallu is also fully black and white with multi design printing, and we have running color blouse piece with one side border design given very elegantly. Excellent color, comes with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, a very beautiful printed silk, light in weight and very beautiful design. Here we have a green saree with fully a very elegant printed design, mango pattern and barley tape printing in the border as well. The pallu is also printed and the blouse piece is in running color with one side border design. Excellent saree, comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, the very beautiful printed concept, light in weight, is also called as printed silk. Here we have an excellent combination of yellow with green. Saree is bright mango yellow, and bottom and top with both side borders is light yellow with fully green color maple leaves. Same maple leaf pattern is given in the pallu as well as in the blouse piece. Excellent saree, it comes with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, a very beautiful printed silk, light in weight and a very classy collection. Here we have a green saree, bright parrot green with yellow color floral prints in it. Top and bottom both sides we have a beautiful printed border, and the pallu is also completely printed in the kalamkari pattern. Blouse piece is here in grey color with the border printed given in the border, bottom border. Excellent saree, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, very beautiful lightweight printed silk, beautiful quality. Here we have a very different Bengali writing design saree. The middle part is orange with fully Bengali writings, and top both side borders are in green. Same way the pallu is also green with prints, and the blouse piece is also in contrast green color. One side we have the printed border as well. Saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, very light in weight, beautiful silk. This saree is a plain one, completely in a beautiful royal blue, full plain. Even the pallu and the blouse piece and everything is plain here. The saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, beautiful hand block printed, light in weight, classy, traditional printed silk saree in a premium quality. Here we have a very different color, light peachy orange color saree with top and bottom both sides white color base and fully black prints, mango design printed very elegantly with a black and white pallu, black with beautiful prints, and we have the same body color blouse piece with one side printed border. Excellent saree, a different colored one, comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, beautiful printed silk in an extremely beautiful quality, hand block printed designs. The saree here is in half white, almost a pure white color with top and bottom both sides we have prints, and we also have a bottom border in beautiful bright parrot green. This is the pallu. The pallu is pure black with one side the border running, and the blouse piece of the saree here is contrast black color with one side border printed. This is the body of the saree. The saree comes with authentic silk.